instructor.
Hello. My name is Patrik Staš. I'm a software developer, previously working as a DevOps engineer in SAP Concur with number of services and tens of servers under control. In this course, I'll show you how you can create your own virtual Linux server and use SSH to interact with it. At the end of this course, you'll be able to virtualize your own Linux server and efficiently use Secure Shell and Linux Terminal to perform basic operations. You'll gain both practical, hands-on skills working with Secure Shell and also understanding what is going on behind the scenes. The course is highly focused on practice. It is designed for you to follow me along. First, we will virtualize Linux server and get more comfortable using a Linux terminal environment. Only after that, we'll go through major SSH features, and we also cover crucial topics such as SSH key authentication and SSH tunneling. This is beginner SSH course, so it's designed for someone with no to limited knowledge about SSH, Linux, and server virtualization. A good candidate might be a software engineer without much DevOps experience or a student in IT field. You can join regardless of what operating system you are running. And here comes the best part. The course is completely free. So hit that enroll button and take a closer look. I'll be looking forward to see you in the course.